Hi everyone, it's Ethan and I am super excited to be your host again. In this video, we're gonna dive into a question that's been buzzing around the LinkedIn sphere. Can you see when someone was last active on LinkedIn? Ever wondered if your LinkedIn friends are online? Well, unlike other apps, LinkedIn doesn't tell us when someone was last active, but they do give us a clue when a little green dot next to a person's name. So, can you see when someone was last active on LinkedIn? Nope, but a little green dot means they're online now, ready to chat. What about the empty green circles? That means they're not on their computer, but have the LinkedIn app on their phone. Shoot them a message and they'll get it when they log in. Now, you might be wondering, why does it matter? Well, imagine you're reaching out about a job opportunity or a collaboration. Knowing if your message is being seen in real time can make all the difference. And if you're shy about showing your online status, don't worry. Just follow these steps I'm about to tell you. So let's say you want to hide your online status, and what you've got to do is to click on this option right here and go to the settings and privacy. So from the left bar, click on the visibility option. And once you do that, you've got two options like visibility of your profile and network and visibility of your LinkedIn activity. So we're gonna have to deal with the second option, which is visibility of your LinkedIn activity. As you can see, there is an option right here, manage active status. So I'm gonna click on that. So in this part, as you can see, LinkedIn asks you who can see that you are currently active while you are using LinkedIn. So based on your personal preferences, you can choose between these three options. No one, your connections only, all LinkedIn members. Now you might be wondering how you can see if someone was active on LinkedIn. Well, wonder no more, my friends, because figuring out if someone's been buzzing around on LinkedIn is easier than you might think. Let's break it down. First off, we've got the classic method, checking their recent activity. Simply swing by their LinkedIn profile and keep an eye out for recent posts, comments, or likes. If you spot some recent action, bingo, they've been active on the platform. Another telltale sign is keeping tabs on profile updates. Notice any recent tweaks like a new job, education, or skills? That's a big clue that they've been actively managing their profile. Remember, not everyone's glued to LinkedIn 24/7. Some folks might pop in and out for job searches, while others are LinkedIn power users. It's all about respecting people's privacy and using LinkedIn as a professional networking tool. In a nutshell, while you can peek into someone's LinkedIn activity history, you can see their online presence in the moment. So keep those connections buzzing and seize those networking opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tips and tricks video helpful, like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.